Good morning, kids. How are you? Hope you all are safe. Today we are going to discuss about Labor Day. So, kids, do you know 1st May is celebrated as Labor Day all over the world. Labor are one of the key contribution for the growing economy of a nation. So, kids, today we are going to make some tools. These tools are very important for laborers. Let's start. Hope you all are understood how to draw labor tools. So, kids, we should always respect all labor. Thank you. Happy Labor Day.